ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Dhruva gave his kingdom to his son, and then he started realizing that this entire Prakriti, nature, makes all the souls illusion. That is why all the souls gets attracted to this Prakriti. And also Dhruva realized the body, the wives, the children, the friends, the army, everything at some point gets attacked by death. So there is an end for everything. Now I need to search for an eternal happiness, a permanent happiness. Like that Dhruva decided, and then saprayayau visalam, in search of an eternal joy, he went to Badarikashramam. There he took bath in sacred water, he purified himself, he sat down in a comfortable posture, and with doing pranayamam he stabilized his manas and he gained control upon his sensory organs, and then sthule dadhara bhagavat pratirupa, he fixed his mind on a Divyamangala Vigraha Swarupam, on a divine form of Paramatma Sriman Narayana. Etat dhyayan, and kept on meditating upon Paramatma's divine form. Dhruva started pouring out all of his devotion, affection, love and attention. Dhruva started getting extremely happiness in remembering and meditating upon Paramatma. Dhruva started even forgetting about himself. He totally lost consciousness upon his body. Ananda Bashpakalaya, because he is enjoying Paramatma's divine form, he started moving to happy tears. Because he is completely drowned in dhyanam upon Paramatma, viklidyamana hrudayaha, his heart started melting. Because he is completely drowned in dhyanam upon Paramatma, pulakachitangaha, Dhruva's body, the entire hair on body started standing straight. He's getting goosebumps. And because of that spontaneous and extreme amount of continuous, constant amount of affection, devotion upon Paramatma, Dhruva lost the consciousness upon his own body. He is now completely into a divine state of dhyanam upon Paramatma. When Dhruva is enjoying Paramatma Swarupam like that, at that time, one Pushpakam, one Vimanam, one flight came down and landed upon earth right next to Dhruva. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.